Friends, good morning. I am Hakikat Rai Sharma. Today's topic is passive voice. First, let us understand the difference between active voice and passive voice. In active voice, it is the subject which acts. In the passive voice, it is the subject which is acted upon. Very important thing. In all types of sentences in passive voice, the third form is used. The third form is also called past participle. It must be clear to every student. Let us come to present indefinite tense. Active voice. She writes a letter. Subject is she. Verb writes. Object a letter. The object in passive voice will come first of all, a letter. Then helping verb. There are three helping verbs in present indefinite tense: is, am, are. A letter is singular, therefore we have used is. The third form, as I have already said, written. Then she will come in the end and it will become by her. A letter is written by her. You can see the negative sentences. Negative sentence, I should say. She does not write a letter. A letter is not written by her. Like this, interrogative sentences are here. You can pause the video and read them. Advice. Dear students, if you do not have the basic knowledge of tenses, please read this chapter in a grammar book, then watch this video. Let us resume. Present continuous tense. Helping verbs is, am, are plus being. I have already said in all tenses in passive voice the third form is used. She is writing a letter. A letter is being written by her. Let us see an interrogative sentence. Where is she writing a letter? Where will come first of all. Where is a letter being written by her? Present perfect. Use of has been or have been. She has written a letter. A letter has been written by her. Present perfect continuous tense has no passive voice. Past indefinite. Helping verbs was or were. His sister played games. Games plural. Games were, not was, because games is plural. Games were played by his sister. You can see other sentences also. You can pause the video and read them carefully. Past continuous. Helping verb was being or were being. The third form is always used. His sister was playing games. Games were being played by his sister. Let us see an interrogative sentence. Where was his sister playing games? Where were games being played by his sister? Let us turn to past perfect tense. His sister had played games. Had been is used. Games had been played by his sister. Next is future indefinite. Will be or shall be. Robert will sing a song. A song will be sung by Robert. Negative. Let us see a negative sentence. Robert will not sing a song. A song will not be sung by Robert. You can see other sentences on the screen. Future perfect tense. Robert will have sung a song by 5 p.m. Will have been or shall have been. A song will have been sung by Robert by 5 p.m. Where will Robert have sung a song by 5 p.m.? Where will a song have been sung by Robert by 5 p.m.? One by is placed before the door, the second by shows time. Let us see other types also. Sentences which contain modals: can, could, may, might. Simple rule: use of be, be. The third form is always used as already said. His father could lift that heavy box. The modal is could. Let us see the answer. That heavy box is the object. We will put it in the beginning of the sentence. That heavy box could, modal, then be, and third form. The answer: that heavy box could be lifted by his father. Next type, imperative sentences. Open the door. It is an order. Keep let in the beginning, then object, be, and third form. Let the door be opened by you. You are ordered, not order, to open the door. I repeat, it is a misprint. It should be ordered. You are ordered to open the door. The third form is ordered. It is ordered to open the door. Please help the needy. It is a request. So you are requested. Please help the needy. If the question is asked, what is the subject in this sentence? Please help the needy. The subject is you. Therefore, you are requested to help the needy, or it is requested to help the needy. Infinitive. To, after to, be, and then third form of the verb. Let us see this sentence. You are to finish the work now. The work is not to be, then third form. The work is to be finished by you now. Prepositional sentences. The sentences containing prepositions. She objected to his proposal. The preposition is to. Simple rule: it will remain at the same place, that is, after the word after which it has been used in active voice. In the sentence, active voice sentence, she objected to his proposal. To has been used after objected. In the answer also, his proposal was objected to by her. Next, there are some sentences which contain two objects. I told him this story. Two objects, him, first object, second object, story. Therefore, it will have two answers. The sentence is in past indefinite. The rules of past indefinite will be used, but it has two answers. He was told this story by me, or this story was told to him by me. See the next also. The answers are here. Whereby not used. She married George. George was married to by her is wrong. George was married to her. This bottle contains milk. We don't use by after contain. Milk is contained in this bottle. Thank you very much. Thank you. See once again, please. You can pause to understand wherever it is required. Welcome. Thank you. I am Haqiqat Raj Sharma.